The AGM G3 is one of the best feature-packed 5G rugged phones of 2025. And in this video, I'll be comparing the AGM G3 with the Blackview BV8200. Have in mind that the G3 and the G3 Pro, which are the devices in the G3 series, are the only rugged phones in 2025 that supports wireless charging, 18 watts wireless charging to be precise. I see a lot of people talking about how they need a rugged phone with wireless charging support. Well, the AGM G3 series, both the G3 and the Pro, they both support 18 watts wireless charging. So if you're interested, make sure to use the link in the video description. Anyway, let's quickly compare the specs of both rugged phones. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. There you have it, guys, the AGM G3 versus the Blackview BV8200. Which of the two devices is best in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Personally, the AGM G3 is a much more better device. It has much more powerful processor, the Dimensity 7400. It supports 5G connectivity. It ships with the Android 15 OS and is guaranteed to receive the Android 16. And the device, as I mentioned earlier, supports wireless charging. So these are some of the reasons why I prefer the AGM G3 over the Blackview BV8200. But what are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.